Hey guys, what's up? It's Steve. Getting kind of hard to see the Pensacola beach ball water tower up there. Sand on the beach. I did a Facebook Live from here a few hours ago. Things obviously progressed just a bit.
Man, this is unfreaking believable. Snow here in Florida. Oh my goodness.
This is it. New measurement for Pensacola, Florida. Let's see what we got here. 7 inches of snow. New record. Previous record 3 inches, which was decades ago, 100 years ago or something like that. And still snowing. Blizzard.
Florida spent Tuesday preparing for its most significant bout of winter weather since 1989, with airports closing and officials calling for residents in the western Panhandle to stay off the roads. Widespread reports of 5 to 12 inches of snowfall were reported around Pensacola on Tuesday evening, which caused troopers to shut down a nearly 70-mile stretch of Interstate 10. National Weather Service offices along the corridor issued a rare winter storm warning for counties from Pensacola to Jacksonville and warned of snow and ice accumulations that could make travel hazardous.
Everyone is stuck. This is Pensacola.
Florida Governor Ron DeSantis issued a state of emergency on Monday ahead of the wintry mess and said that for communities in the Panhandle, the wintry mess could be record-breaking. The all-time greatest snowfall in the Sunshine State was 4 inches in Milton, outside of Pensacola, on March 6, 1954, which was eclipsed on Tuesday by tallies around Pensacola. I don't have to tell anybody that we're not necessarily used to walking in a winter wonderland here in Florida, DeSantis said during a news briefing at the state's Emergency Operations Center.
People don't think that this is really happening right now, but this is the streets, the roads. This is not just snow, this is like a winter snowstorm, like a blizzard or something.
Utility providers across the Interstate 10 corridor were preparing for weather-related outages, which would likely occur if a significant amount of ice fell. A stretch of Interstate 10 shut down in Florida due to the snow. Fox weather meteorologist Steve Bender was in Tallahassee on Tuesday, waiting for the liquid precipitation to change over to freezing rain and even snow. The capital city appeared similar to a ghost town as residents were not willing to take the storm for granted, especially after an active hurricane season in the region. The heaviest snowfall in the Sunshine State occurred around Pensacola, where spotters reported measuring amounts of 5 to 12 inches through Tuesday evening. Due to the hazardous weather and a series of crashes, a nearly 70-mile stretch of Interstate 10 was shut down by the Florida Highway Patrol. Emergency officials said they had pre-treated some roadways, but the efforts appeared to be too little ahead of the major winter storm. According to the NWS, more than 7.6 inches officially fell over Pensacola, with around 8.8 inches in nearby Milton.
Really deep. This is the EMS parking lot in Pensacola, Florida. And I already wiped all my stuff off. We're covered in snow.
According to the NWS meteorologists in Tallahassee, it will take several days to verify all the snowfall reports and determine if any one city beat out the Pensacola Metro for seeing the greatest snowfall tally ever in the Sunshine State. Most school districts between Jacksonville and Pensacola canceled classes on Wednesday, including major universities such as Florida State University, FAMU, the University of North Florida and the University of Florida in Gainesville.
Okay.
in my backyard right now. We're at 7 inches. 7 inches of snow in my backyard.
Somebody told me I moved to Florida. How is this Florida? I don't get it.
All flights into and out of the Tallahassee International Airport were canceled as of 3 p.m. Tuesday to restore operations by noon Wednesday. Similar cancellations were planned at the Jacksonville International Airport, where the last departing flight was expected to leave around 8 p.m., with operations returning to normal by noon on Wednesday.
There's the ocean, or the Gulf. It's all steam you see coming off the Gulf. Snow.
Any type of frozen precipitation can be problematic for the region, as communities lack the necessary equipment, such as treatment trucks and snowplows, to keep roadways and airports clear of hazardous travel conditions. Naval Air Station Pensacola's main gate was closed to both inbound and outbound traffic on Tuesday afternoon as a mix of wintry precipitation moved in from the west.
You gotta come out. Please don't come out.
All right, there's a lot of people snowed out right now, but you'll never guess where I am at. Florida. Yes, I'm in Pensacola, Florida, and it is snowing here.
In North Florida and many other cities across the southeast, the Christmas week snowstorm of 1,989 holds many records and serves as a benchmark for all other winter precipitation events. The historic storm system developed on December 22 before moving across the Sunshine State and off the Atlantic coast.
Florida snow. Right there.